Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be talking about GoHighLevel, kind of. We are more so going to be talking about different methods in order to get different clients, specifically a very good local method that not a lot of you guys try. In my opinion, it's definitely top 3 ways to get local clients. It's super easy to do. Anyone can do this, and almost every single city that you live in has something like this. Whether it's a huge city or a small city, it probably has it. So that is exactly what this video is about. Hopefully this can get you clients. I know that it can if you follow everything that I say. I recently did a bunch of segments with Dalton Minder. He's from my hometown, and he uses this method every single time. I think it's got him almost every single one of his clients, and this kid is absolutely crushing it locally right now. He's doing 3 onboardings in 1 week, and we're filming all of them. So if you guys have not stayed up to date with those videos, definitely go watch them. We have the SEO, that's Dalton right there, and then we have the onboarding, which is Dalton right there again. Both of those for 2 vastly different clients, one for roofing, we've got one for chiropractic coming out, and then we have one for pest control, which I'm actually going to be filming. I filmed for chiropractic already. I'm filming for the pest control company on Monday, and then I think I'm going to film for the roofing company as well. And why is that important? Why do you guys care if I film for them? Because if you're my affiliate, you get all the videos that I film for them. All you got to do is use that link in the description below, and if you're seeing this during the biggest promo of GoHighLevel history, Summer of AI, then that link is going to get you 50% off for the entire summer for 3 months. So don't miss that. And if you did happen to miss the first promo in June, don't worry, they're going to have another one and then another one in July, or you can just sign up for free for 30 days. You can get it completely for free, risk absolutely nothing, and that's still a great bonus. Either way, I've got both those links in the description below, and you're going to get invited to the High Level AI SaaS Lab, which is actually the #1 community in the entire world for GoHighLevel. So if you're sitting on the fence going, oh, who do I sign up with? Who has the best bonuses? We have the best bonuses. Declan and I have the best bonuses in all of GHL. There's not even a close second. I'm done being polite about this. We have the best. If you want the best bonuses, you gotta use that link. Hop in here. You're gonna get all these amazing bonuses, plus my white labeled content right here. We're gonna open that up, and you get all of the white labeled videos that I make, you guys. You can just download them straight from the community. I'm talking AI studio demos, chat widget demos, AI voice bot demos. I break down everything, all the different features inside of GHL, and more importantly, all the promos for these different service-based companies. This is super important, guys. I did pool cleaning, food service, waste management, power washing, dog grooming, car detailing, landscaping. I've got another landscaping video going in here. I got chiropractic I'm editing right now, pest control. Hopefully we can get that roofing one done too. And then I white label them all and give them to you. And why is that important? Well, it has to do with this video, so let me explain. One of my favorite methods for getting clients is filming those promo videos, or at least showing them how to film them, because 99% of businesses have no idea how to market correctly, and they don't have the tools, the GoHighLevel tools, in order to do it anyway. So that's my favorite method by far, and that's not necessarily what this video is about, but it's something that you can definitely do in order to get clients on repeat over and over and over again. I have videos on YouTube breaking down absolutely everything, literally how I film it and how I edit the videos. I can link those at the end of this video, but once again, not what this is about. This video is about how do we prospect? How do we find the companies that need this? Well, I've shown you multiple different methods using Facebook ad library, using Google, using Instagram, using social media, but what if there was a better way? Well, you're about to find out because it's right here. The Chamber of Commerce. Yes, it's boring. Yes, it feels old. And using the Chamber of Commerce to get clients or to find businesses seems like something you would have done in the 1990s. However, it's actually one of the most secretive weapons you can ever use to meet and network with business owners. It is insanity. It's what Declan uses, it's what I've been using, and it's what Dalton uses to get almost every single client. So what exactly is the Chamber of Commerce, and is it only in Springfield, Illinois, which is the one that I'm currently on right now? The short answer is no. You guys can get this anywhere. There's so many Chamber of Commerces all over the country. Just check it out in your area, and there are multiple different ways to contact these business owners or to meet them in person. So check this out, guys. Number 1, all you have to do is type in a keyword, and a list of every single business that's a part of the chamber will come up. So for this example, let's type in chiropractor, and then we're going to press go. And there we go. We've got a bunch of different chiropractors in the area I can easily reach out to. This one right here at the end is actually the one that we just worked with. I just filmed for these guys, and we're setting up their website live on my channel, so don't miss that. That video actually might have already come out by the time this one's out. I don't know yet. But either way, definitely stay tuned because it's a pretty cool video. But let's say I wanted to work with these other 4. Now I have all their information just from this page. So I can click on one and I can see everything about that business right here. Very easy. And that's not necessarily the life-changing part of very easy, very simple. And yes, you can do this on Google. There's a lot of prospecting tools that allow you to do this. That's not why the Chamber of Commerce is so amazing. The Chamber of Commerce is so amazing because of what you're seeing over here to the left. These are all events that you can just go to. This one right here, July 16th, 31st Annual Corporate Cup Challenge Golf Outing. Do you know how many business owners are going to go to this? Do you know how many people are going to go golfing? A ton of them. Here's one, Coffee and Connections. This is for the Educators Credit Union. That's August 11th. This one's August 25th, the Fall Job Fair. There's going to be so many businesses at the job fair. Rise and Shine at the Springfield Clinic. These are all different events that are coming up that you can go to, and there's way more events than just this. These are just the ones for the Chamber of Commerce. So I would make a list of all these different events, including the ribbon cutting ceremony for the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum. That could also be a cool one to meet different business owners. They do ribbon ceremonies all the time, and they only do it for new businesses. As you can see, this is a ribbon ceremony for Boot Barn. Here's one for the American Jiu-Jitsu Company. Jiu-Jitsu is a great business model to go after, especially for GHL. And then check this out, guys. New members. Most of the time, if they're a new member with the chamber, it means their business is probably relatively new. So I can just wait for all these to keep going and find an industry that I like. There's one right here, Tire Express. This could be for like a tire company or maybe auto. I can click that right here. And there we go. Let's visit their website. This, I'll be honest, guys, this doesn't even look like a website at all. This is not a very good website whatsoever. I would totally reach out to these people. They need a lot of help. I don't even think they have a form. Okay, here's their form. They do have a form. I spoke too soon. We could totally take this entire site, toss it into AI Studio, and do a significantly better job in 10 minutes. These people right here need our help, and we found them in 30 seconds. They were actually right in front of our face right here. Ryan's Tiny Stitches. I don't even know what that is. Let's find out. Let's view the website. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, so this is the whole website. Okay, so he makes baby clothes. I'm not super into e-com. This seems like more of an e-com brand. I probably wouldn't work with this just for the sole reason I don't want to get into e-commerce again, especially into promoting e-commerce. It's not fun by any means, and the ROI just isn't there. So I probably wouldn't work with them. And he's got a little chat widget at the bottom right. I'd probably test this chat widget out, see how good it is if I was going to work with this company. But they're not all winners, at least for Go High Level sense. This company might be amazing. They might be making great money, and I'm sure they are amazing business owners and amazing people to work with. However, if I can't really help them with Go High Level features, then I probably will throw them on the back burner and we'll look for a different industry. So let's try it again real quick. Mike Williams Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. I already know Mike Williams is a huge company, so I will not be going after them. Casa Real, I know that company. That's a restaurant. I don't want to work with restaurants really. Sometimes they're good to work with, but not all the times. Let's do that American Jiu-Jitsu place. Let's click here. Let's view the website. Awesome. So as you can see, they've got their whole community right here. This all could use a massive rehaul. I mean, it's not the worst website in the world. I can tell this is just like a template they used. Wait a second, guys. Look at the chat widget. This is nuts. Wait, this is crazy. This is a Go High Level chat widget. This is 100% used inside of GHL. I wonder if they built the website with GHL. I'm glad I didn't absolutely demolish it because that would have been ironically weird. This is actually really interesting. So this is definitely a Go High Level chat widget. They're using GHL. I'm not here to expose who's running it, but as you can see right at the bottom, it says powered by. You can click this right here, and it's called Push Press. So Push Press is powering it. This is clearly a Go High Level company. I don't know who's running it. I don't know if it is inside of Springfield. It seems like they work a lot with gyms. Interesting. So yeah, Push Press. They're using Go High Level. Congratulations, Push Press. I would probably not go after this company because I know they're using GHL, and that's a super funny way and cool way of finding out. Obviously, this is a GHL chat widget. That's how we know they're using Go High Level. And if I click start your free trial, I wonder if I can see where their form is. Okay, so this goes into like a membership area. Super interesting. So I would not set it up this way. You could reach out to them and just say, hey, I have a feeling I know what software you're using. I'm not telling you guys to go steal other GHL clients, but if this isn't a local Go High Level agency and this American Jiu-Jitsu place does not know whoever they're using, then it could make sense for you to reach out and at least ask about it. But for right now, I'm going to skip this one. We want no bad blood in the Go High Level community. So let's get out of here real quick. I'm going to click on business directory right here, and I'm just going to search myself. Let's search for, I do landscaping a lot, so I'm not going to use that as an example. I want to use something that's definitely in like a Google local service ad industry. Honestly, funeral homes could be a good one. I know it's kind of crazy, but let me check. We've got a few different funeral homes here. I actually know Butler Funeral Home. I've not heard of Ruby Funeral Homes. Let me click them. I'm going to view their website real quick. Wow. Okay. That's interesting. Got all the obituaries in here. Like I said, guys, I know funeral home seems dark, but funeral homes make a ton of money and they're in LSA. So I could easily reach out to this company, sign them up for LSAs, connect them to GHL, give them a little bit better website and charge $500 a month. So easily I could do that, which brings me to another massive topic. When you're on this Chamber of Commerce thing and you see the events over here, you have all the different events for the marketing opportunities, blah, 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 or 2026 event sponsors. These are all the different companies sponsoring these events. But either way, my point is when you go to these events, you can actually talk to the people who work at the chamber themselves. I know people that work there. I have some connections with them now that I've talked to them a bunch, and I might even be setting up an event where I speak myself. Imagine how much leverage power you would have as an agency owner if you went up on a stage and spoke to 30, 40, 50 business owners at some type of dinner or some type of event, and you said, hey guys, Google LSAs are crushing and no one knows about them. So if you don't mind, let me explain them to you guys, or let me explain Facebook ads to you guys, because so many business owners are just struggling with this. They don't understand it. They think it's broken. They don't think it works, and it 100% does. And then you give like a 20-minute speech, maybe with some slideshows, and you talk about LSAs. That's exactly what I'm going to try to do. I actually got a green flag on this already like last year. I just never followed up with it, which was my fault. I should have followed up. I should have done it. But I guarantee you I would have unlimited clients. If I ever got up and spoke and talked about Google LSAs, I would have so many people pounding my door down saying, can I get it? How do I get it? What do I do? How do I get unlimited clients? I want that too. Genuinely, that is like an absolute cheat code. That's something that a lot of you guys watching might have to face your fears, getting up in front of people, talking about a topic that you need to study a little bit more of maybe. But honestly, Google LSAs are so simple. It's such a simplified business model that I don't understand why more people don't do it. And that's going to be my entire speech. It's like, why aren't you guys doing this? And then of course, we're going to connect it back to GHL because that's what we always do. But this is just such a massive way to prospect and to get clients that so many people don't do. And I highly recommend either joining right here. So you can click join now, and you guys can easily join your own Chamber of Commerce. It's not that expensive. I think some of them have free options too, but you can get shout outs, you can get your own ribbon cutting, and you can join all these events, go and get coffee with these people. There are so many ways to reach out. So if you guys are not doing this, if you're not actually trying to reach out to your local community, get into these events, join the Chamber of Commerce, speak at the events, then you can't sit here and tell me that you've tried everything, because you have not. Now, yes, there are so many other ways to find and prospect for Go High Level clients, especially now that we have AI Studio, because you can make 50 different demo sites in one freaking day and send those out, or you can just use all my white label videos and send those out. But this is a really cool way to do it, and I think everybody needs to be looking at it. I think everybody needs to try it at least once. And I know that Dalton crushes it. He's spoken at events, he does all this stuff, and he's only been in Go High Level for a year. So if he can do it, you guys can definitely do it. He's a young kid, he's crushing it, and every time I've gone to the events, I've seen him there, and he's always going around to all the tables and telling everybody what he does. Very outgoing kid. I'm very proud of him, and I'm excited to make more videos with him because it's easy. He does like all the heavy lifting for me, and we have a really good back and forth business relationship where I'm helping him get clients, and he's helping me by allowing me to film all of these different clients so you guys can watch from start to finish how to onboard, how to create the chat widgets, how much to charge for all this stuff, how to use AI Studio to build their website correctly, how to use SEO. Like, you guys are watching this all because he's using Chamber, and that's how he's getting his customers, and then I'm filming it. It's an amazing relationship. I love it. I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep going to these events too when I'm in town, and you guys definitely should as well. But either way, that's my little rant on one of the most insane, craziest secret ways to get clients. Meeting up in person, physical events, using the Chamber of Commerce or the business journal, whatever it is that you have to use inside of your hometown. Use it, go to it, promote it, talk to people, network, and you will thank me later. You can take all my white label videos with you and show them the videos. I don't care. Do whatever you have to do. But either way, that's enough yapping out of me. I think I've made my points. I'm excited to see what you guys do, how you get all these clients in the summer of AI promo, and how you utilize all these amazing AI features that GHL is just launching every single week. There has never been a better time to get into this. I promise you, it is insane. I've been in Go High Level for 5 years. I've never seen anything like AI Studio ever. It's just mind-blowing. It's absolutely crazy. You guys have a superpower at your hands right now. Go out and use it and get some clients. But with all that being said, thank you guys for watching until the end of the video. Now I'm going to release the promo, everything you need to know about Summer of AI and everything you need to know about the bonuses that you're going to get. So I'm going to launch that for you right now. Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and I am very excited to announce the Summer of AI promo. So I have a lot to break down in a very short amount of time, so let me be quick. Basically, Go High Level is doing their biggest summer announcement ever. 3 months. We've got June, July, and August, all breaking down the 3 main AI features in Go High Level. So for June, it's going to be the Conversation AI bot. As you can see right here, Conversation AI. I've made a ton of videos on this, but this is going to be one of the biggest sellers in all of GHL, in all of the agency space. Every single small business is going to have some type of Conversation AI bot in the future. You might as well be the one to sell them that. And then after June's big promo for Conversation AI, the second big promo for July is going to be Voice voice AI. As you can see right here, I am in the voice AI section. Looks a little bit scary, but it's not. It's super easy to set up, and I give you all the prompts, guys. If you use my link, then you get every single prompt. You don't have to do any of this. And once the voice AI bot is trained, you can set it up directly in your GoHighLevel account. You can put it on a chat widget, do whatever you want, and you've got a voice AI bot that can answer all questions, set up appointments, do whatever you need it to do for that business or for you. So that's July. July is going to be all about voice AI. And then finally, August, to finish it off, round off summer of AI, yours truly is hosting the entire event. Dominic Baptist, me, I'm going to be hosting the Summer of AI August promo for AI Studio. Yes, I am hosting the AI Studio event, the workshop for GoHighLevel, and this is one of the biggest promos you're ever going to see in all of GHL, and that is August AI Studio. So stay tuned. Do not miss any of this. And I know what you're wondering. Okay, what are we getting? What is happening? Why is this so important? And do we get a discount? Well, of course you get a discount. So I'm actually recording this on May 31st, but as of June 1st, this link right here, this landing page will go live, and you guys can actually get 50% off if you're a brand new user for 3 whole months. So imagine getting that in June, and then you get all of summer half off. Absolutely insane. You're going to get some of the best bonuses, and you're going to skyrocket this summer with all of these amazing promos, these bonuses, everything that you get when you use my link, which I'm going to break down in a second, but you're getting 50% off. Now, there's only a certain amount of window of time where you can get the 50% off, and that window of time is June 1st to June 7th, June 22nd to June 28th, and July 13th to July 19th. So those are the dates that you can get 50% off for the first 3 months. Make sure you sign up if you're brand new, or upgrade if you already have an account. You can still get that discount. On top of that, you're going to get free access to AI Studio, free access to AI Conversation Bot, AI Voice Bot, all of these amazing bonuses. It's just a great time to be using that link, whether you're an existing customer and you need to upgrade, or you're brand new, you're just getting in the game. It couldn't be a better time. Which reminds me, if you guys use my link, because this is a big competition, of course, for the top affiliates, then you're not going home empty-handed. You are going to be added to the High Level AI SaaS Lab, which is not only all of my bonuses, but all of Declan O'Reilly, the GHL Wizards bonuses as well. So you're getting all of his bonuses, plus all of my bonuses, and you're going to be here for hours because it's a lot of bonuses. I don't even think I can break it all down in this video, but basically anything that you need to learn for GoHighLevel, getting started, how to get clients, snapshots that you might want, sales scripts, AI prompts. Trust me, you're going to need these. And then most importantly, guys, Dom's bonus section right here. I am very proud of my bonus section. I specifically work with white labeled content. I think that's my best character trait right now, is that I'm pretty good at making these type of videos. I'm pretty good at making demos and promos. And so I make sure my affiliates get to use everything that I make, so they don't have to go and make it themselves. So basically all you have to do is take these videos that I've already made, I've already white labeled, and you just send them to your leads, and I will close the deal for you, whether it's AI Studio, whether it's Chat Widget, whether you're selling AI Voice Bot, whether you want to work with landscapers, car detailers, dog groomers, power washing companies. I don't care. I've made promos for so many different companies, and I've white labeled them and given them to you. Super cool. I highly recommend checking these out, but you can only do that if you use that link in the description below. Either way, I'm super excited for everything that's coming this summer. I'm super excited to be hosting my own workshop with GoHighLevel for AI Studio. AI Studio is the best, guys. It's one of the best features I've ever seen in all of GHL, and if you don't know what it is, you need to go to my YouTube channel right now, because I make videos on AI Studio all the time. It's changing the way that we run our agency. It's changing the way that businesses run their business, and it's transforming the entire industry itself. So I'm very proud that I get to be headlining the AI Studio event. I'm very proud of the entire summer of AI. I can't wait to see what happens, and I'm super pumped to see you guys get these amazing bonuses. So once again, use that link. Make sure you're within the time window of getting that 50% off, or you're in the time window of getting all of those bonuses. Either way, use the link in the description below, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks, guys.